Hi there, we're going to do a craft today and I'm going to make a wreath and I'm going to show you in steps. It might be a long video, that's why I'm going to show you part of it and you can see what I'm doing. And when I go on to the next step, I'll show you that. We're going to use this, and this is burlap ribbon, 2.5 inches. I think I'm going to use these flowers. Aren't these beautiful? I think I'm going to go back and see if I can find some more of these. I just love them and the color combination. And do you remember when I bought some hangers that had different sayings that hung down? I bought 2 different ones. So I'm going to be using these different cutouts. And this was the other one. One said, "Plant one on me." And the other one said, "Welcome, bees and butterflies." And we have watering can, and more flowers, and this, and a butterfly, and a watering can. And I just think all these will go great with this. And we're using a wreath. Everything was bought at the Dollar Tree except for the burlap. The burlap, this is a 75-foot roll, and I purchased it at Walmart. And the wreath is quite large. I believe it's a 21 inch. Nope, it's an 18, sorry. This is an 18-inch wreath. So I'm going to cut some tags off. I'm going to heat up the glue gun and we're going to get busy. I hope you'll enjoy it. Okay, I got my working table all cleaned off. We'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to bring you down. We're going to work on the burlap first. There. I think you can, yeah, just pull back a little bit. Got my glue gun here. I cut the frayed edges off here. The only thing is I can't see if my clock is still running. You know me, I've had problems with my phone. Okay, I don't know how this is going to look. I've not done this before. This is my first attempt. We shall see how it's going to come out. Should have put my finger protectors on, but I did not. We just want to get that stayed on there really well. Wow, working with a big row, this ought to be interesting. Okay, just want to hold it there a second. And I'm going to bring you down. And when I get about here, I'll stop. I just want you to see how I'm going to wrap it. Just like this. Like I said, it's going to be a little difficult because the fray ends like to catch. But you know what? It's all good. Yep, that's holding good. Hi, Miss Maggie. Miss Maggie just came in to see what I'm doing. Just like this. I think you guys can still see okay. I probably should cut a piece off, but I'm going to try to work with the whole row. And I think I will just put a little bit every time I come to one of these side edges, just because it might help a little. Just like that. I've got to pretty much take it with me every time or it's going to be a mess. Yeah. That's okay. Hey, it is what it is. We're all going to see how this is going to come out together. Just like this. So what's everybody been doing? Crafting. Getting gardens ready? Are you crafting or reading or what you doing? There. This is coming along just nicely. Look at that. think you guys can see okay. I might be picking it up too high, but this is the only working table I have. So you know what? I got to deal with it because that's all I got. And you got to deal with what you got. I am hoping I get a new glue gun. I need a battery operated one. It'd be so much easier. I got a little one that was gifted to me, but I just was told there was a recall from Dollar Tree on the little minis if you have a certain number. Okay, I'm going to stop you right there. You can see how much I got done. I'm just going to tack a little glue here. Like I said, every time I come to one of the sides, I'm going to tack it. Just like that. You can see how it's coming. And I will bring you back when I get it all the way around, because you can understand what I'm doing. And I'll show you the next step. Okay, I've got all the burlap wrapped around it, and I've got the cutouts more or less where I want them. So let's put it on here. We're going to take the hot glue just like this. And we're going to start up here where it says welcome bees and butterflies. Just like this. Hopefully this will work. We shall see. Trying to space them out about the same because I still got some pretty little flowers to go on. Just like this. I hope you guys are enjoying this. And just to let you know, I think I'm going to be posting later in the day because I'm doing a new schedule. I've got garden planting, vegetables, flowers, herbs, mowing, plus my videos and catching up on folks' videos. So I'll be working during the day and coming in sometime, where do I want that? Right there. Sometime in the afternoon and videoing what I want, or, you know, we're just going to go from there. There won't be any morning ones, just because my schedule is pretty much taken on everything. And also got to remember I got to fit my parents in too. I want a little bit more space here. How do I want that? A little bit more down. I think right there. That's all right. We'll just put an extra something there. With me, like I say, you never know. You might want to check though, just make sure you get the bell rang if you're not subscribed to me. I would love to have you come join our wonderful community that we have here. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos, and neither do I. I mean, I just kind of wing things together. I just put stuff and say, okay, this is what I'm going to create. I like to create something, and I never know myself what I'm doing until it's done. There. I should have gone up a little bit more, but there, just like that. And now I'm going to take the wire cutters and I'm going to cut up my flowers. So I want to show you. What do you think so far? Oops, trying to get it all in there. There, just like that. And I'll put the flowers on and I'll bring you back. And then once I do that, once it's hanging on the door, you will see how it came out. So we shall. Be back. I just want to bring you back and show you. Here's the flowers right here. And I'm taking this and this pops right off just like that. See, just like that. I just wanted to show you this part there. And then I have this part. If I want to use the greenery, I'll just cut it off. Okay, here we go. I have this shorter down here and this taller. I kind of like the short better. I was just kind of playing with it to see. They're very easy to cut. I'm going to show you right here. I'm just going to take that like this. I'm not sure. I just want to kind of place it there to see if I'm going to like it, what I'm doing. And this is how basically I'm going to do it. Like this. I'm almost thinking maybe I should have put flowers first, but I kind of didn't want to. But I think I'm going to do it like that right here. And it is going to be time consuming because I am picky. I'm terribly fussy on what I do for work. This here has taken some time just to get to this point. And I'm not sure how I want to fill that in. It'll be something like that. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to get started. I'm going to use this one, I think. Push it down a little. Yeah. Okay. Just going to put some glue here. Remember, folks, I'm winging it. I never know what I'm going to do. And I might have to clip some off here and there, but hey, that's all right. It's my creation, right? There's not going to be another one like it, just mine. It's going to be one of a kind. Yes, it is. I'm going to kind of do it like that. I'm such a fuss budget. I'll show you. So what do you think? And it does take time. It's taken me 2 minutes just to get at this point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play with this. And let's see, let's put another one in here. Oops, this one doesn't belong in there. We'll go down one more. And then I'll show you the ending result and explain it and put it on the door. I'm looking for a short one. Doesn't matter because we can make it short. Just like this. It cuts very easily once you take them off the stem. I think I'm gonna, yeah, we're just gonna wing it. That's all there is to it. Some glue there. Owie. Oh, 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 oh. Need some hot water with ice. That's why it's hard to wear nail polish when you work with glue. It's taken mine right off. But hey, you know what? It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, I'll just put it like that. Where's it? I know I have a little itty bitty one here. It's gonna take this really down right here. See how easy that comes off? And I must say, my Miss Maggie has been extremely good while I've been doing this. So I'm very happy. She hasn't demanded in or out, or either she's been in and then I take breaks. And yeah, I think I'm going to put it like that. And I'm going to fix that. And what I'm going to do is I have one here, one single one. Daub it right there. And there you have it. So I'm going to play around with this. And once I finish, I've already got, 4 minutes into this, I'll bring you back.